welcome to my secret spot up here. It's your nigga Reggie, and this, of course, your vocation. Then just call me Reggie. So this is actually the first video of 2025 that I'm recording. I don't know what order I'm gonna upload my videos in because I have older videos that I haven't edited or that just haven't been uploaded, you know, all that sort of thing. So real quick, as you can tell from the title, I'm gonna show you how to put knotless braids in a bun. I'm gonna take this down real quick and I'll tell you what you need. Also, shout out to me because I did these braids myself. Okay, the parting is parting. Okay, it looks really good if I do say so myself, you know. And I've gotten compliments on this hair, y'all. Like, my parting is immaculate. Okay, I'm just gonna say that. Okay, because baby, what? Okay, anyway, let me not flex too hard. I've had them for a while now. I'm gonna cut them. Like, I'm just gonna. The thing I like about braids is that you can do different things with them. So like right now they're this length and curly. You could have them this length and straight. You could do all sorts of different things. And the curls stayed in pretty well. So like the title says, or what I said I was gonna do is I'm gonna put it in a top bun. Very quick. All you need is one of these. You need a hair tie. Maybe you may not even need one actually, depending on how tightly you wrap it around. So this is how I do it real quick. You don't even need a mirror for this. I'm just gonna have my head down like that. Make sure you gather all the hair because sometimes what'll happen is you have like one sticking out like that and it's kind of annoying because then you have to start it afresh. And then position the bun where you want it to go. For me, this is fine. And then I will split this in two. See? 2 equal parts. Let me see what I'm doing here. So that's in 2 equal parts. I hope this is good. And then you see this is like the one section of 2. I'm just gonna twist that around. And now we have half remaining. And real quick, some people used to tie their hair like this, like have it in a ponytail but have half sticking out and half going around the ponytail. I hate that look. I just wanted to say that real quick. And then basically with the half that's left, you do the same thing. Now, of course, if you want this to actually look really nice, then I would suggest doing it in front of the mirror. But if you're like me and you have stuff to do around the house and you don't need your braids hanging down, this will do. Boom. I'm looking in the mirror right now. I'm happy with it. It's pretty secure. Like, it's not going anywhere. It's not going anywhere. Okay. Yeah. It's gonna stay like this for a long time. Until I take it down, actually. But of course it can loosen and shift, but right now it's not going anywhere. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, y'all, let me slow down, okay? 2025, I feel like I hit the ground running. I've been busy. Okay, I may get into it someday. Anyway, if you like this video, I'm sorry, I just keep rambling. Oh my god. If you like this video, show me that you like it by liking the video. Turn on your post notifications. That's all I don't know, watch my other videos. You'll like it here. Okay, bye. No, that's not how I end my videos. Peace out, thumbs up. I'm gonna be at this job.